I hinted at it before with one of the reasons we use our big exhaust fans, our ventilation fans. And one of them is to get rid of any smells that are inside of the building and push those to the outside. Dogs, that's their most sensitive scent is scent. Oh my gosh, that is a tongue twister. So we want to make sure that we're keeping that as informational as possible and not doing a lot to mask it, but also while still getting rid of as much as we can so it's not overwhelming.
Okay. Okay. So then what would you say? Here's my question to you. So someone like myself who does in-home boarding, I don't have kennels. The dogs have accidents, of course,
Yep.
sometimes in the house, on the hardwood floors, on the furniture covers. And I use this enzyme, this organic enzyme cleaner that's supposed to, get rid of the scent. Of course, it never really gets rid of 100%, does it? But I launder it in that enzyme cleaner, and then I have a spray for spot cleaning that has the enzyme cleaner in it. But is that good? Is that bad? Do you have any other suggestions that might be better for the dog?
Yeah, so the enzymatic cleaners are great because they don't tend to also have an additional scent mixed in. Sometimes they do, depends on the brand. But the ones we use at our facility and the ones I recommend for people don't have an additional scent mixed in. It's just an unscented enzyme product. The reason for that is that if we can smell an additive in a cleaning product, it is way too strong. Dogs' noses are so much more sensitive than ours. The example I use for that is that if you were to line up all of our scent receptors end to end, you'd maybe get the length of a postage stamp. Whereas if you line up all of the scent receptors for a dog from end to end, it actually goes from their nose to their tail.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So they can smell way more than we can, which is why you have to use an enzyme cleaner in the first place, because they can smell that another dog has peed there. And
Yeah.
so they'll go back and they'll pee on it because that's where we pee. Clearly,
Right. Yeah.
somebody did it.
Right.
So
Right.
you have
That's
to use,
already been done.
yeah. So you
Yeah.
have to use an enzyme cleaner to break it down on a molecular level so it doesn't smell like pee anymore.